Hey, this is Josh. Welcome to AdScale Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create AI ads in AdScale. In AdScale, your ads are run through what we call budget groups. We offer two main paths: completely AI automatic budget groups or custom budget groups. Now, both of them are powered by AI. In the AI budget group, which we're looking at today, the focus is on product carousels, Google PMax, and search ads. If we click into it, you'll see the AI actually reads your store's data to generate an ideal customer profile. It identifies the demographics, interests, and hobbies that fit your brand. Of course, these are all editable with this little edit icon. Just click Create My AI Ads and watch the magic happen. After just a few seconds, based on your set budget, the AI builds a set of ads for your product carousels in Google Ads automatically. It's smart too. If you've only connected Google, the AI creates Google Ads. If you've connected Meta as well, it handles both. We even show you the average return on ad spend for similar stores so you can see exactly which ones you want to publish. You just click Next. The AI chooses your locations, which you can also adjust, and expands your remarketing reach. You cannot add new ads to the AI group. The AI will create more ads based on budget and performance. Click Finish, and that's it. Easy as that. You've created an AI budget group where the heavy lifting is controlled by the system. If you ever want to tweak something, just hit the Preview or Edit button to change the copy or the products. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to AdScale Academy for more videos.